Namaste, dear students. Welcome back. So today we are going to start problems on indices, for which you should know the tables, especially tables, and how to take LCM. These two factors are very important to solve indices problem. So today I am going to solve a basic problems in indices, which will be asked for 2 marks. Which will be asked for 2 marks. So let us begin. So today I'm going to start the problems on indices. Okay, so I'm going to start what? Problems on indices. Problems on indices. So we will be starting with 2 marks, 2 marks questions or problems which will be asked for 2 marks. So that I am going to solve today. Okay, so are you all clear? Shall we start the problem? Yes. So I'm starting with the problem number 1. Problem number 1. So which is like this: 25 whole power 2. 25 whole power 2. So this we have to simplify. 25 whole power 2. So now we have to simplify. First what we have to do, we have to convert this one, okay, to be with the help of LCM. So if you want to find LCM for this, how you are going to do it? LCM. So I am drawing a separate line for LCM. Okay, so for which number I have to do LCM? 25. Usually in which table it goes? In which table it comes? 25. 5 table. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 fives are 25. Correct. So 5 fives are 25. So then 5 ones are 5. Okay, so then how many fives you got here? 2 fives. So that is 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. So 2 fives we have got. So when we get 2 fives, so that means if you convert that 5 to the power of 2. So what is the answer you got? 5 to the power of 2. Okay, so now you understood 5 to the power of 2 how to take LCM. Yes. Okay, so now your answer for 25 to the whole power 2 is, that is equal to, how much you got the answer? 5 to the power of 2 whole power 2. This is whole power. I have converted this 25. Okay, I have converted this 25. So 5 to the power of 2 is 25. So that is 5 into 5 is 25. So this whole power I have carried just like that. I have not done any changes in it. Okay, so now when you get this power and whole power, this should be multiplied. Correct. So it should be multiplied. So in the next line what I am going to do is 5 to the power of 2 into 2. This I am doing. So 2 2s are how much? 4. So next line answer is 5 to the power of 4. So how much you will get 5 to the power of 4? How do you convert this 5 to the power of 4? So multiply 5 in 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now do this 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5. 4. So if you do this 4 time multiplication, so that answer will be like 625. Answer is 625. So answer for this is 625. Understood? I believe you have understood. So next I am going to for the second problem. So 36 to the power of 3. 36 whole power 3. 36 whole power 3. So now again we have to do the LCM. Okay. So LCM we have to do, I said already, so that we have done here. So now I am going to do the LCM for 36. See, usually while taking LCM you have to start the small table. So in which table it goes? So if you take 2, so 2 table 36. So how many times if you multiply 2, you are going to get 36. So that is 2 18s are 36, correct? So then 2 9s are 18, correct? 2 9s are 18. So next, this 9 will not, you are not going to get any number into, but you will get in 3. So that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3, correct? 3 1s are 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So now you are going to get LCM, that is 2 2 times and 3 2 times. So that is 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2, correct? 3 to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2 you have got. So now this we have to convert. Okay, this we have to convert. So how do we convert now? So now take this as usual. How much LCM you have got? 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2. So now I am going to take directly that 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2 whole power 3. Whole power 3. Okay, so next what I'll do, I'll copy the same. 2 to the power of 2 whole power is 3. So that is 2 into 3. So 2 3s are, then 3 to the power of 2. So 2 3s are. Understood? See, in the first problem you had only one number, 5 to the power of 2 whole power 2. What you did? 2 into 2. Correct? So in the second problem you have two different LCM figure, that is 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2 we derived with the help of LCM. So now 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 is there. So 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 whole power 3 is there. So that means when you have a whole power, so power should be multiplied by whole power. So that is 2 into 3. 2 3s are 2 3s are. Okay, so 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Okay, so next line, what answer you are going to get? 2 3s are is 6. 2 to the power of 6 into 3 to the power of how much? 2 3s are 6 again. Okay, so now you have got 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 6. So now this you have to multiply. So as I have given, so you can multiply like this, or you can use calculator to get a direct derivation. So to make you understand, only for this problem I am doing it again. 2 to the power of 6, that means multiply 2 into 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So multiply now. 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how much answer you got? That is equals 64. The same way, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is 729. 729. So now this value I am putting here, 64 into 729. So now multiply this 64 into 729. How much you are going to get? 46,656. How much? 46,656 is the answer. 46,656 is the answer for the second problem. You are getting? Yes. So now I am moving on to the third problem. problem number 3. So problem number 3 is 1000 whole power 2. 1000 whole power 2. So 1000 whole power 2, again what we have to do? LCM. LCM for how much? Yes, 1000. So that is 1000. So make it simple, divide by 2, so that only works. So that is 2 500s are 1000, correct. Then 2 250s are 500. Then 2 125s are, correct. 2 125s are 500. Sorry, 250. So now this 125 cannot be multiplied by 2. So 125 always goes with which table? 5, correct? Yes, 5. How many times? 5 25s are 125, correct. So next 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. So now we got the LCM value. How many times 2 you have? 1 2 3. So your answer is 2 to the power of 3 into, how many times 5 you have got? 1 2 3. 5 to the power of 3. Your answer of LCM is 2 to the power of 3 and 1 to the 5 to the power of 3. So for this now you are supposed to convert. So how do you convert? So for the first you are going to write 2 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3 whole power 2, correct. So now next level, whenever this comes whole power, 3 2s are, then 3 2s I have to write. So 2 to the power of 3 into 2 into 5 to the power of 3 into. So now 3 2s are how much? 2 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of 6. 3 2s are 6. So now I have got this value. So now multiply this. Can you do it, or you want to multiply again as I did in the earlier problem? Yes, you want me to do like that? So 6 times multiply this 2. How many times? 6 times. So 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 2 to the power of 6. So that is equals how much? Check out. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you are going to get 64. Answer is 64. So next 5 to the power of 6. 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you are going to get 15,625. 15,625. Okay. So now take the answer over here. 64 into 15,625. 64 into 15,625. So multiply that. 64 into 15,625. That comes to how much? 10 lakh rupees. So that is 10 lakh. 10 lakh. That is 10 lakh. So this is the answer to the third problem. Are you able to understand? See, since it is a beginning problem and basic problem, I am showing you this, but in further I cannot do for all the problems. You have to learn. And how to use calculator for this? Do you know, or you want me to tell? See, take your calculator. So suppose now you have to do it for, I'll show you. You have to do it. You have to identify 2 to the power of 6, correct? 2 to the power of 6, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So in such a case, first 1, that is 1. Then you have to press equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 64 answer, correct? So again I'll show for 5. So that is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 15,625. So I'm repeating again so that you will have a clarity while using the calculator. 2 how many times? 6 times. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 64. The same way 5, you have to use the calculator. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 15,625. So I believe you understood how to use the calculator while calculating indices. Okay, fine. So now let us move back towards the problem. So next I'm moving on to the fourth problem. So fourth problem, I'm moving on problem number 4. So fourth problem says root 16 whole power 4. Root 16 whole power 4. So again you have to check which law has to be applied here. So which law we are supposed to apply whenever the root comes? The law number 8. 8 law have already checked in the previous video. So check the previous video. So that is whenever root comes, so how we consider that root? 8th law only, so that we are going to consider it as a 1 by 2. The power will become 1 by 2. So if you convert according to that law, 16 to the power 1 by 2 whole power 4. 16 to the power 1 by 2 whole power 4. So now how you are going to do it? So you can do it directly or if you want to go for LCM also can be done. So how LCM will be done? So you know, right? So for LCM, let us make a small column for LCM. So what is the value? 16. So 16 in which table? Yes, 2 8s, then 2 4s, then 2 2s, then 2 1s, 2 1s. So how many times you have 2? 4. Correct. So 1 2 3 4. So 2 to the power of 4 is the LCM value. 2 to the power of 4. Correct. So 2 to the power of 4. If you convert that value into 2 to the power of 4, so that value if you take 2 to the power of 4, you can say that 2 to the power of 4 into this 1 by 2 remains there, 1 by 2 whole power this 4, whole power that 4. So that is 4 into half. So if you multiply half into 4 times, how much you will get? Check out. 4 into 1 divided by 2. So if you calculate in the calculator 4 into 1 by 2, so you are going to get 2. Correct. So you are going to get 2. So 2 to the power of 2 whole power 4. 2 to the power of 2 whole power 4. So that whenever whole power comes, what you are going to do? 2 to the power 2 into 4. So 2 fours are how much? So 2 to the power of 8. So now calculate as I show you the calculator. So if you multiply 8 times, because we cannot do that every time, writing 8 times and multiplying it. You have to make a practice. Directly calculate in the calculator as I shown you in the last video. Again I am showing, but you have to do it by yourself from the next video. Okay, so 8 times, so that is 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So answer is how much? 256. Correct, answer is 256. So I am writing that 256. 256. Okay, suppose if you are good at mathematics, sir, I am good at mathematics, why to go this, can I go on direct method? So if you want to go on direct method, so how to go ahead with that? Hmm? So that is also possible, but again, so you have to do direct version also, that is directly dividing 16 into half and going like that. But it is better you solve like this only with the help of LCM, so that you are going to get accurate answer. Okay, so next I am going for fifth problem. So fifth problem, problem number 5. So that is root 3 11 to the power, root 3 11 to the power. So whenever this comes, so check out 8 law which I have taught you. So the power value should come first, then you have to multiply. So 11 to the power 2 into 1 divided by 3. 11 to the power 2 into 1 divided by 3. So 2 ones are 2 divided by 3. So if you do like that, so your answer will be 11 to the power of 2 divided by 3. 11 to the power 2 divided by 3. 11 to the power 2 divided by 3 is the answer for your fifth problem. Okay, so next we will solve sixth problem. So we'll stop here, we'll continue in the next video. Okay, so we are done with the 5 problem today, so we'll continue in the next class, the further more number of videos. Until then, take care, bye bye, see you soon, and stay safe.